Hi, today I bought a 3D printer and I will be opening it. This is my very first 3D printer. Let's see what's inside. Got very thick foam. Alright. See. User manual. Got a felt film. Figure out what that is. Some more plastic coverings. Let's see. Got a box here. Let's see what's in this box. Alright, it says toolkit on top. Alright, we can open this up after we take out the 3D printer. Okay, let's see this bad boy comes out. Some more foam. So we're going to slide this out. Alright. There we go. Alright. Let's get rid of some of this foam, put it back in the box. Alright. It's nicely packaged, as you can see. It's a little bit heavy, not too bad. It is wrapped pretty well. Let's see if this slides off. Oh, there's a twisty. I'm going to put this back in the box. Alright. This is like nicely wrapped, like saran wrap. I'll just put that aside and we'll take this off. Alright, let's see what's in here. Some more wrapping. This is really nicely packed inside. I'm not sure how this looks like it slides off. So let's pull this straight up. That was snug. Alright. This comes right off. And this looks really, really nice. Right? I like the color. We got this. And I'll put this back in the box. So we got the plate. We got the felt film, user manual, the main machine, and the cover, right? Alright, now I'll set this right here, and let's see what's in the toolkit. We'll see what's in here. I'm going to open this. What does it come inside? Let's see. Let's see. Get power cords. This is the main power supply, right? They even put a USB. I have a ton of these lying everywhere, but this is nice. I wonder how much it can hold. They've even packed some gloves. And I got like a measuring jar. Wonder how many gloves I have. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 gloves. Alright, got 3 pairs of gloves. That's nice. Got a really strong plastic scraper. And I got a really metal one. Really sharp. Very strong, very heavy duty. I'm going to put that back, the little cover back on. Place that there. See what else we got in here. I do not know what this is. It says ELEGOO, but I'll figure out what this is later. It looks like I got some screws and some tools. So I guess it has some assembly that I need to do. Okay. AC adapter for the, got the AC adapter, which will connect with the power cord. I have no idea what is this. Let's see. Oh, this. Some really fancy clippers. That's nice. I mean, these are pretty strong. I see. So, yep. Let's slide that back in here. Let's see. Couple paint filters, I guess, or resin filters. It's quite a few actually. I mean, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. About 10. And I got some heavy duty mask. I guess it stinks or must be very toxic, this resin that this uses. Okay, we're getting to the last item in the box, which is, looks like some kind of rubber seal, some kind of sealer, rubber seal or something. I guess it goes on the bottom of the box, maybe. Okay. Alright. That is everything. That is everything that comes with the ELEGOO Mars 2 Pro. Okay? Now that I've unboxed everything from the 3D printer, now let's take a look at the printer components. We have here the build plate, and on top we have the rotary knob. We have the Z-index, the resin tank, which also has rotary knobs for easy removal, a 3.5-inch touchscreen, and a USB port for transferring your files. The software this uses is Box. Totally with everything together, it's about 13.5 pounds. Now let's just rotate this to the back. And down here you have the switch, the power supply, some air vents here, and a fan. So let's just turn this on. That's it for the printer components.